guys, remember my sunflower trees, the two seeds that I had in my flowers garden? So there was a tree that only grew one sunflower on it, and this is the one sunflower, and there's so many seeds. Sunflower, look at that, it's a lot. So I'm going to allow this to dry properly. Just I'm gonna plant some from it, but I'm also going to patch some of it. So this sunflower, guys, actually is pretty weighty. It feels like it weighs about 5 or more pounds heavy. Look at this. You can see this is my whole hand and it can't fit, so you know how big it is. It's very big and very heavy, and there's a lot of seed here to plant, to patch, to do whatever I want with it. And this is just from one seed. So let me pick out a seed and show you what it looks like. This is a sunflower seed. That grew right here in my garden is just a single sunflower tree, and it grew this huge sunflower, and look how big it is.